what you've always wanted to do. Your time will come when it's supposed to, and I feel like you should for sure keep going with it.
Great, let's do this.
Lenny, I need to steal your hair. Oh, I love her hair. Keep it locked up in the middle of the night in my home. You chop her hair when she's not there. Love it. Hi. Hey. Oh, Becky. This is Lori section. Sorry, I wasn't sorry. No, this looks amazing.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
How's working on the show and getting it all together?
Really getting a little nervous.
She'll probably ask.
Same prayer.
So that's my worry, and then
Wait, I have the best idea.
yeah.
3 of our Dash girls are models. Why not make this like a